Hi, my name is Sheila Winter, and this is my story. I grew up in what you refer to as a wealthy family household, where my father took a great care of my sister and I, as well as my mother, of course. He worked hard and traveled a lot. He wasn't always around most of the time. My wonderful father did everything for us. He spoiled us. I remember that for my 12th anniversary, he got me my first dream car. Come on, honey. What do you think about this? Wow, Dad. This is amazing. Can I go to school with this? Look inside. It's so beautiful. I will have fun in here with my friends. Can we go and see something else? Okay, darling. Just follow me. How about this car? OMG. This is lit, Dad. This is the car that all my friends would love to have. Can I try it? This is so amazing. I can't believe it. Dad, move out of the way. You be. Okay, Dad, this is it. This is the car. Thank you so much, Dad. You are the best dad ever. And that was a huge deal back then. But I didn't get to drive it until later on. I used to get extravagant birthday parties. He used to take us to wine tasting parties as well, all the time. It was totally illegal to be drinking, so we just swirl it around on the tongue and spit it out. We felt so grown up and sophisticated. I was pretty much my daddy's little princess. Later on, it was time for me to move out of my parents' house and live on my own. To me, it was a new adventure. It was exciting. I highly doubt that my parents ever wanted me to move out. So I went ahead and found my own place. Okay, here we are. How do you feel about this place? It's completely empty. How will you live in such a place? Mom, let's have a tour before giving any bad comment. Look, this area is quite roomy. You should make it your bedroom. I think so too. Well, it's not that bad, Mom. It just needs some furnitures. Well, a lot of them, I must say. Let me see the bathroom. Oh, you have a stand-up shower. You really need to upgrade all of this. And please, get yourself a bathtub. Oh, A mirror? I guess that's the only thing that grabbed my attention so far. I can fit in the shower. Or maybe a little small. But we can make it work. Okay. Listen. It might need a little cleaning and refreshing. At the end, it will be perfect, I promise. Honey, I know you really want to do this. However, I want you to know that you can always come back home whenever you want, okay? I'm going to miss you, my little girl. Take care of yourself. I love you so much. I'm going to miss you too, Mom. I completely agree with your mother. In case you change your mind, just let me know and I will come and get you ASAP. ASP. Okay, Dad. I'm going to miss you, little girl. Alright, that was an emotional goodbye. Now that I'm all by myself, I need to unpack my stuff. Oh yes, oh yes. This is so heavy. But I gotta do it. Almost there. Almost. Just one more push and and that's it. I'm done. I can't no more. Ooh, whose idea was this? Okay, some pillows. I like to add this pink one. I feel like it makes the red one pops up more. The nightstand. Perfect. Now, I can bring my personal stuff. These are dear to my heart. And they've always been with me everywhere I go. OMG, I am so exhausted. Can I just lay down for a second? I wish someone would fill up the house for me. That would be very, very, very nice. OMG! My home is completely transformed. That's so cool! I guess I'm just going to take the day and relax a little more. I really deserve it. Ah! This is the end of the first episode. Stay tuned for the next one very, very soon.